Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts. Today I'll be showing you how to remove fine scratches and blemishes from your vehicle's finish, as well as how to repair and seal scratches, scrapes, or stone chips in the clear coat. There'll be some variations in the products available, so be sure to follow the instructions included with the brands you choose. The polishes used for fine scratches are also effective for treating swirl patterns in the vehicle's finish. I'll start by showing you how to use one of these polishes. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional detailer in your area. But if you're ready to give it a shot, here's what you'll do. Make sure the area you're treating is clean and dry. Put a small amount of polish on a cotton terry cloth or a foam applicator pad. Work the polish into the affected area in a circular motion, one section at a time. Remove any excess polish with a quality microfiber or cotton terry cloth and reapply as needed. If you're dealing with a scratch, scrape, or chip that's a little deeper, or if you've reapplied the polish and chip is still showing in the clear coat, Plan B is a paint repair pen. If you've arrived at this point, here's what you'll do. If it isn't already, make sure the area you're treating is clean and dry. Shake the pen well for about 30 seconds. Remove the cap, point the tip upward, and press against the felt tip with the lid of the pen once to let it ventilate. Turn the pen over and press the tip down on a piece of paper until the clear coat flows to the felt tip. You may have to press the tip down as many as 20 times. Fill the chip carefully with the tip of the pen. Immediately remove only the excess clear coat, if there happens to be any, with a clean, dry paper towel. If your coat is thicker, repeat each application after 30 minutes of drying time. Be sure the lid is firmly replaced so it doesn't dry out. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.